Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie, the 2025 Amazing Luxury Futuristic Bus. This masterpiece is not just transportation, it's an experience designed for the elite traveler, tech enthusiast, and the comfort seeker alike. Let's start with the design. This bus is a visual stunner. Its ultra-modern, curved exterior is crafted from lightweight composite materials for strength and efficiency. The front end is smooth and seamless, featuring a full-width LED display that can show real-time messages, route updates, or even digital artwork. It's not just a vehicle, it's a digital canvas on wheels. The doors? Touchless. They glide open automatically as you approach, thanks to built-in motion sensors. The entrance is lit with ambient floor lighting that shifts color based on the time of day, or even the passenger's mood, all AI-controlled. Now, stepping inside feels like entering a luxury jet lounge. The seating is modular, meaning you can adjust layouts for meetings, solo travel, or group lounging. Each seat comes with its own retractable privacy screen, wireless charging dock, biometric access for customization, and haptic feedback controls. And get this, there's an onboard virtual assistant. It can play your favorite music, order refreshments, adjust lighting, or even suggest scenic views as you ride. There are large OLED panels along the side walls that can stream movies, display live landscapes, or transform the cabin into a meditation room with visuals and soundscapes. In terms of sustainability, this bus is way ahead of its time. It's powered entirely by a solid-state battery system paired with solar roof panels, regenerating power as it moves. The drivetrain is whisper quiet, and the entire frame is designed to reduce wind drag, which improves efficiency even more. The safety features are next level. We're talking 360-degree cameras, LiDAR sensors, emergency AI override, automatic fire suppression systems, and even onboard health scanners that can detect a medical emergency in real time and alert nearby hospitals or emergency services. For tour VIP models, there's even a personal suite at the rear, complete with a bed, entertainment screen, soundproof walls, and climate control. It's perfect for overnight journeys or luxury business travel. This bus is not just about the future of transportation. It is the future. It's redefining comfort, technology, and green mobility all in one package. So, what do you think? Would you ride, relax, or even live in a bus like this? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this futuristic ride review, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow auto lovers, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more exciting content on the most innovative vehicles on the planet. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and drive smart.